Hey YouTube, back with another unboxing video. I got this box today from New Life Nursery. They're located in South Carolina. Right here, New Life Nursery and Garden in Peltzer, South Carolina. So I got this box today and let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so I got the box open. Oh, nice green trunk. I don't think I ever seen a trunk that green before. It almost looks fake. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, I got it wrapped up here on the top. Nice tree so far. And this is a 3-gallon. So let me get it out the box. And it's a lot to cut right here to get this out. And this tie strap go outside the box too right here. So let me cut all of this off and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the plant out the box. Now this is a Ukigumo. It's a Japanese maple, specifically called floating clouds Japanese maple. So I will also put a picture up in this video so you can see how it look with leaves, because as of right now you can see it's dormant. And for this season, dormant is normal. In case somebody didn't know, dormant is normal for this tree here. Some trees don't go dormant and at all for fall and winter. So, but Japanese maples go dormant. So this is totally normal. Let's look at this base here. So what I need to do right away is there is dirt and mulch in here, but I probably just need to add more dirt since I don't plan on planting right now. So this tree, like any other tree that comes now until spring, is gonna stay in its original pot until it gets a little warmer, because it's been getting cold at night. So I'm not gonna plant this right now. It can stay how it is. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more dirt on top, and that's it. And water it in, and that'll be it. This tree is a 3-gallon size pot. It's pretty tall. So I'm 5'6". It's about 5 feet. It's about 5 feet tall right now. So once they have it staked here, but it's not long enough. So I will have to stake it with something longer so it can reach the tip, because I don't want the tip to be growing crooked. I want it to be straight up and down like that. So that's that, you guys. This is the Ukigumo floating clouds Japanese maple tree. Okay, 3-gallon. And just so you guys know, for reference, let's look at the tag. See the tag here. Floating cloud Japanese maple. Okay. And that's that. Thank you guys for watching. This plant, again, is not being planted as of right now because of the weather conditions, but it can stay on my front patio right now with my orange tree. And that's that. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.